The sky over Iran turned deadly. Late at night, dark skies, and routine training mission. And then a disaster. In western Iran's Hamdan province, an Iranian fighter jet went down. Not in battle, not under attack, but during a training flight. In fact, one pilot did not make it back, the other one survived. And suddenly, questions began circulating. This do not happen in isolation. Just hours earlier, Iran had been flexing its muscles. Strike drones deployed, fighter jets scrambled, military units on high alert. Well, the message was clear. Tehran is ready, Tehran is watching. And then tragedy struck. According to state media, the jet crashed during a late night exercise. There is no official cause yet, mechanical failure or pilot error or something else. Well, the investigation is now underway, but you know what here? The timing, that matters. That's what's raising the eyebrows here. Because tensions between the United States and Iran, they are already sky high. The region is on the edge. The standoff between the two rivals has been intensifying. Military moments, strong statements, and strategic warning. And in the middle of all of this fragile moment, a fighter jet falls from the sky. Can it be a coincidence or pressure showing through the cracks here? Hamadan is not just another province, by the way. It sits in western Iran. Strategically important, military active, and it's not quiet territory. When a jet crashes here, it sends a signal far beyond its border. Now let's talk about the human cost. Two pilots were inside that aircraft, two trained officers, two men on duty. One survived, one didn't. In fact, behind the headlines, there is a family, there is grief, there is silence where a voice once was. Military losses don't always happen in war. Sometimes they happen in preparation for it. But here's the bigger picture. When a country increases drone deployments, when fighter jets are scrambling, when air defense systems are on high alert, the margin for error, it becomes razor thin. One technical failure, one small miscalculation, and the whole sky turns unforgiving. Well, the region is on edge because every moment now matters. Every signal is analyzed, every crash is questioned. With tensions simmering between Tehran and Washington, even an accident carries strategic weight here. Is Iran stretching its air force too hard? Is it ramping up readiness amid the fear of escalation? Or is this simply a tragic training mishap? Well, the investigations will try to answer that, but geopolitics rarely waits for investigation. And remember, military readiness is not just weapon, it's about pilots, training hours, maintenance, and pressure.